When I was growing up as a kid, you couldn't buy plastic bottled water. No one even thought about it. But now in Australia, it's a $600 million a year industry. The reality is only 30% of plastic bottles ever end up in the recycling area. A third of them end up out here, and a third of them end up in landfill, where they spend thousands of years breaking down and leaching out into the water table. 50% of fish have got some sort of plastic in their gut. 95% of marine birds have got some form of plastic in their gut. The day comes that I have children, I don't want them growing up thinking that plastic bottled water is just the norm. I want them growing up and going, plastic bottled water is stupid. It shouldn't be here. There needs to be a better way of doing things.
The motivation behind Water3 was to reduce the amount of single-use plastic water bottles we consume, and to do so by empowering people with a better option. Water3 is a network of smart water kiosks that allow people to pick up and refill one of our reusable Water3 flasks or refill a bottle of their own. On the base of every new Water3 flask is a secure RFID chip that stores credit and links to an app that allows users to top up and locate a kiosk on the fly. Think of it as an ATM network, but for water. Speaking of which, our spring water is locally sourced because shipping water around the world makes no sense. It's triple filtered to taste with no added chemicals. You can even opt for bubbles if that's your thing.
Now, this isn't about how fantastic drinking our water is going to make you. This is about challenging people to think about their own personal impact. We did some studies and worked out to refill one of our machines is the equivalent of a water bottle vending machine being filled 10 times over with about 3 pallets of plastic bottles of water. So there's 150 boxes, that's all that plastic wrap. That is a massive net reduction versus the status quo. So we come back to Water3, and what does the 3 stand for? 3 is our core values. Think better, be better, do more. That's all we're determined to do. Is reduce the use and the impact of plastic water bottles.